Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to duplicate an element that will follow the perspective angle of an image. First, open your image. Next, go to Filter and then choose Vanishing Point. Then trace or create a line that will follow the angle of the subject. Once done, choose the Marquee tool. Select which part of the image you want to duplicate. On your keyboard, hold Alt first and then Shift at the same time and drag the left or right. You will notice that the duplicated element will automatically change the angle. Repeat the process until you complete your image. Once done, click OK. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.